guys my hair. This is second day hair, so that's why it looks pretty decent. Anyways, let's get started. I started off by curling my hair, and I did it starting from the bottom to the top. That's how I do it. It's your preference, but I did that, and I just parted it in sections. And yeah, I'm at the top right here, and what's important is for you guys to curl your hair towards your face. So like I'm doing right here, you're gonna curl to the front, not the back of your head, but the front, and do that. And yeah, don't make fun of my curling iron. I know it's broken, but I love it. It's Conair. Had it for years and it still works, okay? And then we go to the other side. It's the same concept. I hope you guys can get the gist of it, and then do it yourself without me having to record 10 to 15 minutes of doing the whole curling thing. But yeah, it's really simple. Just do it. You guys know your hair. If you need to leave it longer than 10 to 15 seconds, and if you need some certain hairspray to keep your curls up, y'all know your hair. Do what you gotta do. Okay, so now we're gonna go to the top of our head, and it's pretty much the same concept. I wanted to record this because it might be a little like, okay, what should I do now? It's pretty much the same thing, like I said. You just have to curl towards you instead of outside or towards the top of the roof, anything like that. Just curl towards you. And I grabbed smaller sections just because I think it's faster for my hair to get curled, and it's easier to, like, you know, blend it later. You'll see what I'm going to do later. So yeah, grab secciones and curl in. It looks like I'm curling in the back of my head, but just curling, guys. Trust me. Ooh, excuse me. So yeah, just keep going. See, I'm going to the front of my hair there. And I keep doing this. You'll probably see it throughout the video where I use my fingers to like twist my hair to the front. It actually helps my hair, you know, go the way I want it to. And yeah, so I'm pretty much done curling my hair, and I just added hairspray. But yeah, I would check the back of your head. Check if you have any strands that are missing. I had to like fix them in the back there. And yeah, look around 360. Yeah, so once you like your hair curls and stuff like that, we are going to start the top of our head. In the top of our head. We're going to start the top of our head. But yeah, what I'm doing here is pretty much dividing my hair up in the front section. And I'm trying to do like a little square on top of my head. And you just have to play around with it, and whatever hair you want to the front, bring it up to the front. Whatever you don't like, bring it back to the back. You know what I'm saying. Anyways, we're gonna keep doing that until we like our line up there. And I'm like, I like this, so I grab my hair back in a ponytail so it doesn't get in the way, the scrunchie or anything you have. And what we're going to do is pretty much tease it, as I am showing here. You might need to do a lot of a tease or a little bit depending on your hair. And I would add hairspray, or if you have pomade, that would work even better. I don't know where my pomade was, so I just put hairspray. And as you guys saw, you just literally have to curl in, all the way in. Don't let go of it until you get into this little roll in the front. If you guys make a mistake, or if you don't like it, then just do it again. So again, grab it from the bottom. You're gonna grab a little tip, and honestly, this might look really hard, but again, practice. And yeah, just make sure you don't let go of the little swirl between your fingers, because that is key. And once you're good, you secure with bobby pins. Again, try to hide them, like I mentioned in my other hair video. And this is the part that's pretty cool. You just start moving it around until you like the shape of it. And then I let go of my hair and then fix that a little bit. You just literally have to play around with it. I don't know, I think I was satisfied with this, so I was like, alright, let's do this, I'm done. Put hairspray, give a little to it, and yes, that is pretty much your whole hairdo. And I literally just put a bobby pin on the side and added an awesome flower because I think it's so cute. And this is your final look, guys. Pero gracias for all your love and support, and I am so grateful for you guys, and I hope to catch you guys in my next video. Ciao, bye.